is the age ones I
hand it over.
Oh, hand it over. Can I
Merry Christmas.
We are opening the gifts. That's what's happening. I know space is enough, so among us.
This one also doesn't have memory.
Oh,
it's only phone. It's a man.
256.
no, we're gonna put.
Bubu. Oh. Mana? Come on. Left, right. Attention. Now. Kamu bisa mahal. Karena leluan lewi. Gimme. Guys, shush, watch.
I was getting ready. Somebody's getting ready.
Hey, cuaca koti saya na lokal lamun na.
Don't laugh. Don't laugh.
It's not
Don't laugh. Only the fair.
Na anong fo bigya kay ligay.
Okay, but I'm not
Only the
sure.
fair. Don't laugh.
I'm not sure which one is which one.
Allah fair.
We are so careful.
It does.
Bless you, my baby.
It does. Yeah.
It's only to own it. I want to go. Hey.
We are sharing.
Kimudia la suspense mucha.
Okay, suspension.
This one I assume. Oh no, this is yours.
Come on, this box in the box.
I'm telling you.
That is platinum.
Ano tar la pisa. Itangkam.
content. Sharing something perfect between us. Umjulugo. Shush.
It's the look. So many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from then on I knew that by you being in my life, things were destined to change. Cause love,
Put on same
so
finger.
many people use your name in vain. Love, those who have faith in you sometimes go astray. Love, through all the ups and downs, love, for better or worse, I still will choose you first. Many days I've longed for you, wanted you, hoping for a chance to get to know you.
Arbakan masih married.
For your feel your passion. Many nights I've cried from the things you do. Felt like I could die from the thought of losing you. I know that you're real, with no doubts and no fears and no questions. So many people, love, faith in you, sometimes goes
Guys, you have to see my ring.
That's right.
Let's see. If I'm our bathroom, it's stunning. Hey.
We're gonna scream two things. Merry Christmas! Yes, and then we're gonna marry. Yes, to Merry Christmas and stuff. Chill out. Just few minutes. So, can we scream Merry Christmas now? You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas! Now we're gonna scream. What is it? Married. 1, 2, 3. Go. Merry
It's not Kumo.
Live here every day of their lives.
Bruh. Guys, Kumi did a thing or two. A thing or two. A thing or two. Shaba Tswala Kum. Shaba Ngrinya Kuma my chance. These are my wedding rings. Not the normal one. VSOP.
Yeah. VSOP.
Even mine, they're not normal. Guys, bona.
But my girlfriend can't be normal. Calvin said I must do it, so.
I saw the day when he said that you literally were listening. Good morning. Today's another day of the vlog. Today we're going. Well, we're currently going for a walk now. My hair is uneven. Okay, come. We're going for a walk now with Kumi.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my another day. I'm just checking my phone and it says it's time to have fun again. Yeah, today's the beach day. See a beach.
Yo, we didn't go to the. I can't believe it took us so long to go to the beach. Baby, why are you walking like a dream? So this is where we're staying right now. We are going to the beach. This one just woke up, so he's still defrosting. How cute is his outfit? Kumi's there. Kuma is in his own world at the moment. He's just a weird character right now.
100%. King, these 6 minutes.
We are getting these. I've been so quiet for so long. It feels we're talking. Kuma and I separated. He went to go fix his watch, and I stayed here. I bought these slippers. Yeah.
Mommy. Did you take the tripod? What's up, guys? It's day 4 at the beach. We're at Ballito at the Black Mountain Beach Club. We are having some lunch nyana before we have some dinner, of course. It's Polile, man. Ngiyakubonela now. Igoli ngathi yonke igoli la. All the number plates are GP.
Really?
So
Most of them,
yes. So yeah. Let's have fun, guys. Let's vlog. Let's go to the
Nearly blue, nearly a bit fatter. Wasn't it a bit fatter? Wasn't this skinny? I saw now. Okay. Yes, baby, can cross the road. Hi guys, we're at the beach with baby.
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. Cause ain't no way. This is. Get it definitely cause ain't no way. Yeah. Aye.
Hi guys, we are back from the beach. Oh, that was such a long day. I was supposed to come and I was supposed to take. Oh, sorry. Come and I was supposed to take content, but we decided not to. Not that we decided not to. The day just got very busy. So I think I'm gonna go in the pool now and then bath. Oh, I got some cute slippers. I must just wipe them. Juice spilled on them. So if you look closely, you'll see some stains, which aren't that bad, honestly. But these are actually slippers. Yeah, this is what I got. I can't wait to wear them. They feel so comforting. I can't wait to wear them. But yeah, let me see what I don't know in my bikini, so I'm just gonna wear something that I can just swim with. But yeah, let's go. Today we rekile lebanta, here's no rekile lebanta, and a little can and very long story short.
I'm sure about Kala was so to join.
But in
English. Hi guys. So we were trying to fix the belt. We were trying to buy a belt, and then Kumi bought the belt, but now the belt doesn't fit. Oh my gosh. So now we had to take the belt. So Kumi's making an extra hole in it now. I get back some boys, right? Kayicela ninkuphi ubazulu man.
I guess we was because I was like, but I was to do the other time. Critical balcony. I better go get a carry. English. We are going. It's so hot. My hair is lifting and I just installed it. That's Kubi right there. Say bye.
Guys, we officially good morning. Actually, this is the first time you see me today. I'm saying bye, bro. Put the camera on me. This is the first time you see me today. Good morning to everyone. We're checking out today. Such a stunning hotel. It's so hot. I'm sweating. It's only like before 10, but it's terrible. But we got the quick drip check. We hit the squabula with the white sock, with the corduroy. We tucked in. You know, I got the ring on too, just for the added aesthetic. I'm a married man. I got the shades just to pop out. You know, I'm just doing me. I'm doing fine. Otherwise, next location is loading right now. We're still stuck in that, you know, last time when we were at Umhlanga.
Yeah,
that between the one to the next, that few hours, we don't know what to do. We have bags, we have so much food. But yeah, we'll just see. We'll find something to do. Let's go.
Yo, baby. Into a kitchen. My hair is lifting.
Don't want to feel you
Guys, we bought seafood boil, but now we're eating on the floor because there's only one chair here. And the table and the bed, you see it's white sheets now.
And by the way, I'm sure you can see that we have changed locations. I will vlog that tomorrow. My storage is a bit full. I'll vlog that tomorrow after I've edited tonight. Bye.
Okay, bye. That's it. Out. Just lock it out. I was out there playing soccer, yeah? It's hot, my shirt is wet. I just bathed, played soccer. I must go back and bath. What time is it? No, it's past 5. What time do your shops close today?
I don't know.
No, to fix it.
Okay. You're about to lecture me.
Yeah.
Move, baby. I wanna drive.
Oh, yeah.
Shut up and drive. Park.
But please, can I please drive in the
Why?
garden passages, please,
Why?
baby?
Because I'm gonna damage it.
Okay, we'll just see. You can do that. 458 California Rari. My guy.
I'm just moving from park. What happened?
Yeah, just 488. Yeah. Hey, kwa. Oh yeah, gabo mangwa. So kumani boyfriend daga moso tla tla Zimbabwe.
This guy Argentina.
Aí. Bo, sta livella video, livella. Ah, bona un kinya lhlathi mo wena mona e. Bona. Bo, ke re tlhare tse feng yana. Wena mo.
Ke tsaba go rutisa ke.
Mara le na mona, o ska kinya lhlathi. Ke shwela gore ke a go rutisa. I fell a video driving this car and shopping papa's there. It's like I'm rich.
So when I feel like having something I want it, then I will make sure that I have it. So yesterday I required my kids to go and buy ingredients for scones. So we have our flour. I measured 2 cups of flour, 150 grams of butter, 4 tablespoons of a brown sugar. Unfortunately, we don't have the white sugar as we're supposed to, but it won't hurt us having that. And then we have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, which is about 14 mils of.
Hi guys, we left the house. We don't come on. I think we just wanted to drive this thing now. Or did you just want to leave the house?
I just wanted to leave the house, really. No idea, no plan. We wanted to also ask if they have pedal rackets there.
Okay, we can ask that. I want to drive. Let's go for a drive. Take me a vloggy. Please take. Okay, it's fine. You're holding too many things.
Let's get up the sun first.
Oh.
Make my way downtown, walking around.
Walking around,
We're about to hit the beach. Yeah, here's the beach club. Yeah.
That's the beach club.
Yeah, that's the beach club. This is the one I was saying men only, what.
Yeah.
But in here,
this feels like a safari drive, you don't think?
in here at night. Never mind.
So which way am I
Let's
going
go down
there?
here. Right?
And show me, please show me.
Now go down here.
All the videos you take, you don't show me, and I want to show with my baby. Yeah. Babe, I don't know where you're taking us, wait.
Evrami, I'm hoping I'm going to the beach.
Okay.
So if I'm not going to the beach,
Yes. Is this the beach?
yeah.
That's the beach.
Alright, this is walking from here.
Yeah, so we're gonna walk down from here. So I must park here. This is a private beach.
So my baby and I are just driving around to see where we can nice spots to find.
What to do?
Nice spots. We want nice spots where we can come for mornings, for what. We have very few time. Today's the 29th. We need to be out of here very soon. So
yeah, this we can even take our outfit things here.
Gap hotel.
Can you see?
Yeah, but we'll come back. Right now we have to go to the aquarium. Let's go. Hey, these people wanna be late with everything. Let's go. Gap hotel.
Baby, we're gonna come back to take our
Outfits.
videos.
Yeah. Aningibongise ngithenge imoto.
Baby,
Yes.
let me hit the car, please.
Okay, let me guide you a bit further down.
That's fine. You can guide me. I'm gonna hit her. I can't also shopping skunk. We're not gonna get it. We're gonna pass down. Looks like it's naughty from the
Sleepless nights and lonely days are all
Tell them on YouTube that you got a skateboard.
all the time. Oh, baby.